If parents of radical Islamists,
Yes.
if children of radical Islamists should be taken into care, should the same happen to members of the BNP?
Well, this is not an easy area, and I hesitated a long time before coming to the conclusion that there was a case for taking such children into care. And you'll be familiar, obviously, Raven, with lots of cases where people feel that their children have been most unjustly taken away by the authorities, and there'll be loads of examples where that is so. I think it's very, very important to bear in mind that the security services, the police, social services, councils are doing a really amazing job in trying to tackle the problem of radicalisation, of, as we must call it, of young people. And they have the schemes, the Prevent scheme, the Channel scheme, and I've heard loads of wonderful examples of how kids are being weaned off it. They're being helped into other activities, boxing, you name it, and they're being taken away from the path of extremism. But there may be some cases, and obviously this will be for the courts to decide, it will be for the social services to decide, it'll be very, very difficult. There may be some cases where the threat to the child is such that I really think you've got to look at that option. And I'm told at the moment that the safeguarding laws don't make it very easy for all the authorities, all the bodies that are concerned with this to do that. That's my concern.
Raven?
But, I mean, I actually have some sympathy to what you're saying, because, you know, I'm a parent who has suffered with not seeing my child for X amount of years, and, you know, social services have not helped me in trying to you know, and I've tried to put forward to social services things that have happened to me, and they haven't helped. But my point is that, you know, the question I asked was, if you can do that to members,
yes, you asked about the BNP. You asked about the BNP, and I think you know it's a fair question. The question really
is it yes or no?
The question is it all depends on the interest of the child.
So in some instances it would be.
Well,
yes.
it depends what is happening to if that child is being taught to want to commit crime, to be full of hate,
to murder black people,
and to murder. For instance, in that extreme example, then I can imagine that you might contemplate such a thing, and that is the logic behind what I'm saying. But the most important consideration is the positive stuff that they are doing. And if you look at what the security services have to do in London, it's a very considerable challenge.
But I wonder what prompted this. Can you share with us a very real concern that there are a large number of children being radicalised?
I mean, I wouldn't say. Obviously, this derives from conversations, briefings that you can imagine that we always have to have about what's going on in London, and it's particularly apposite in view of the sentencing of the killers of Drummer Lee Rigby. And the question is, how do we stop this happening again? How do we make sure the kids in London aren't growing up with these kind of nightmarish ideas in their heads? And you can tackle the extremist preachers, you can do all sorts of things in the mosque, you can work with the community in the way that we're doing. But one thing that has been drawn to my attention is this particular anomaly that you can have in some cases, and maybe it's no more than a few hundred, but you have some kids who are being put at risk by the desire of their parents or their step-parents or whatever, their immediate family, to radicalise them. And that seems to me to be a legitimate concern for the authorities.
And lastly, how would the children be recognised, or how would they come to the attention?
I think it would, in the normal course of intelligence work, and as you can imagine, there's an awful lot of outreach work that goes on the whole time, where, particularly in the groups that surround, or the Al-Muhajirun, the banned extremist group that still obviously has some influence, which we're trying to weed out.